All right, it's time again for another Amazon unboxing. So what do we have today? First up, we have blue light blocking glasses for my girls. They're kids, they break stuff. So this is like the third round of pairs for them. Why are blue light blocking glasses important? I've talked about it many times before on previous interviews, podcasts, etc. But quick recap here. Number one, we want to protect our eyes from the blue light before bed to protect our circadian rhythm. That's important for everyone, including children. And as well, we want to protect their eyes, everyone's eyes, from macular degeneration with looking at screens so much in our everyday lives now. So my kids have to wear them when they watch screens at home. We don't force them to wear it at school, etc. like that. I wear my blue light blocking glasses pretty much all the time. Whether they be these yellow ones, red tinted ones for nighttime, or clear ones that I wear mostly during the day. The only time I don't wear them is first thing in the morning because we do want natural sunlight into our eyes first thing in the morning. So, blue light blocking glasses for the kids, number one. Number two, Eat Happy 2 cookbook. So, Anna Vicino, great author, great chef. Her book, Eat Happy 1 and Eat Happy 2, are not probably, is the most gifted book that we give as a family or that I give. A little bit on the lower carb side. It's not completely keto or anything like that, but lower carb. Great Italian recipes, recipes from all sort of nationalities. Fantastic. It is a staple. So this is actually going to be a second copy that we're giving to my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. I'm pretty sure she doesn't watch this, so the surprise won't be blown. But that is another one. Next, new book by David Perlmutter, Acid Drop, all about uric acid and some of the new research around that and its effects on health conditions and just healthy living. So heard a lot about it. I have some friends who are reading it, some other coaches. So I thought I was going to pick it up. So Acid Drop by David Perlmutter. Next one here, Memory Rescue by Daniel Amen. He's got quite a few books. I've heard him on podcasts many times. I've read his blogs, articles, etc. I've never actually picked up one of his books before, but latest book or one of the newest books. So I thought I've heard some good things about it, so I thought I would pick it up. So Memory Rescue by Dr. Daniel Amen. And last but certainly not least, the new book by Tony Robbins and Peter Diamandis and Robert Harari as well, Life Force. I have heard many a podcast now. They've been doing the circuit about this new book. As soon as I heard the first podcast, I knew I needed to get this book. I have some clients who have been listening to the audiobook and they've been getting on me to get it. So, hey, Tracy, finally got it. It's here as promised. So this is a thick one. This is a dense one. It is getting 600 plus pages, so this will be my summer reading for sure at the lake. During the summer, I will get through this, and as always, all three of these books that I just mentioned, I will be doing blog posts and reviews on them. So looking forward to. I'm looking forward to reading all of these books, but certainly Life Force for sure. So anyway, if you've read any of these or you've done reviews or anything like that or have any questions whatsoever, love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Deepak Saini Health, and also check out my websites, personalbluezones.com and deepaksanihealth.com. Till next time, cheers.